How to create a recurring meeting in Zoom. So start in Launchpad, find the Zoom icon, click it open. You'll end up here. You're going to click on Schedule a Meeting. And then you have all the options and preferences that you can edit. I'm going to call this PLC meeting. Now we have these once a week. So what I want to do is set up a recurring meeting that will happen on the same day and on the same time every week, one time. I can also add a description. Let's say we're discussing student data, because that's what we do in our PLCs. And then pick a date. Let's say I want it for Wednesday, and it's going to be every Wednesday of every week at 2 p.m. And it'll last about an hour. My time zone's correct, but here is where the magic happens. I want this to happen every week. So I'm going to click on Recurring Meeting. So now it says that it'll happen every day until December 20th for 7 occurrences. But I don't want this every day, so when I go down, I see I have other options. I want this recurrence to be weekly. There are other options such as monthly and no fixed time. No fixed time gives you a meeting whenever you start it. It's just automatically already set up, and you can start that meeting whenever you feel like, which is why it's called no fixed time. But we are sticking to weekly for our PLCs. It's going to repeat every week. You can change that to bi-weekly or every 4 weeks, etc. And it's set for Wednesday. Now, the occurrences. It automatically defaults to 7 occurrences, but what if I want more? So I can change the date. I can select a fixed date, let's say the end of the school year. So I would move over to the last day of the school year. And now it will automatically make this a weekly meeting until the last week of school. You can also do it by occurrences, just up it to 10. I think 10 is the limit that I saw. And that's it. That's making a recurring meeting. There are a few more options. You can choose them however you please, and then hit save. When you hit save, you end up in this page. This page gives you the option to start the meeting right away, despite the time that you put on there, and to add it to your calendar, which is really helpful in keeping track of everything that you're doing. Down here is also a link, and this link can be shared. Click on Copy Invitation, and this window pops up with all the information, with all the dates and the times for the meeting. Copy meeting invitation, and then you can insert this by copy-paste onto an email and send it out to whoever you need to send it to. If I go down further, I again have the option to start the meeting, edit, or delete. And that's it. That's how you create a recurring meeting in Zoom.